Welcome. If you're tired of seeing spam comments clutter up your Instagram posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide spam comments on Instagram using your PC, following the latest update. This method is super simple, and you don't need any special software. Just your web browser. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Find the icon labeled More. It's usually at the bottom of the menu, represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it, and a small pop-up menu will appear with several options. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. On the Settings page, look for the section called Hidden Words. Click on it, and you'll see a range of options designed to help you filter out unwanted content from your comments and messages. Now, here comes the most important step. Find the option that says Hide Comments. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Click to turn it on. Once enabled, Instagram will automatically hide comments that it detects as spam or offensive, keeping your posts clean and positive. You can also customize your filters by adding specific words, phrases, or emojis that you want Instagram to block from your comments. Just type them into the provided field, and Instagram will take care of the rest. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've set up your Instagram to automatically hide spam comments, all from your PC. No more annoying spam, and you can focus on connecting with your real followers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner Instagram experience.